So I'm Vikas Rawat, and today I will guide you how to do a goal setting when you are recruiting ACP, CP or MCP. The important part sometimes we miss is we do not do the goal setting and we do not see what is in it for us, right? So let's see what is the how the goal setting should be done and what is in it for an ACP, CP and MCP. I have already shared these excels to you, right? And I will also share today this combo excel. Till date what I have shared was it was an independent excel. ACP was having a different, CP was having a different one, and the MCP was having a different one. So let's see, in combination, let's say we will do a goal setting of a single ACP now, and we will see what results it gives to us in totality. That means same as performance of an ACP, what impact it will have on CP, what impact it will have on a MCP's income, right? So first of all, let me tell you, all these green columns are editable. So once this Excel reaches you, you can edit these figure as per your own discretion. So it is not compulsory that you only visualize what we want you to visualize. You can put figures who are on a very lower side and still see what figure you will be getting from Global Gardener post 12 months, right? So what we have done is, first of all, whatever we know about the place. So let's say you are an ACP, you have a pin code. Now you know that there are, let's say there is a population of 10 lakh people, and just divide it by 4. So you will get number of families in that area, in your area. So generally the figure which I have taken here, it is of metro or big cities, because in metro and big cities probability is that there are 4 to 5 lakh people living in that pin code, families living in that pin code. So what I have done is I have divided it by 4. So now I got the number of families living in that area, and I have taken on a very negative side that after even 1 year of work, understand, ACP is working for 1 full year and he is able to reach only 20% customers. And mind it, he is working in his pin code. This will be on a very higher side. Please understand. But still, I am taking it on a very negative side to be, it to be 20% only, right? Whereas with my expectation it should be at least 80%, because no one would like to leave this cashback option what Global Gardener has. But let's say if an ACP is working for 12 months and he is able to reach only 20%, and these 20% people are generating UPVs, right? So we have already shown that one family is probable of generating 5 UPVs in your area, irrespective where they go and shop. If they have registered from your pin code, you will get this income from their UPV generation, right? So now, and next is ACP has a two roles to play. One is recruiting local vendors. So let's say he is recruiting only 15 vendors per month, and vendor recruitment is the easiest process because we are giving only money to him. We are not asking any upfront money. We are only giving him sales and then only seeking for the commission. So everybody would like to come into this, and we have already discussed why vendor should come in Global Gardener. So let's say if he only recruits 15 vendors per month, in 12 months he will be recruiting 180 vendors. Then average commission from a vendor, we have taken it to be on a, again on a lower side of 20,000 rupees per vendor. We are expecting that ACP is recruiting 10 partners, and these 10 partners are only selling 2 UPOs in a month, and these UPOs are earning 1 lakh rupees every month on a lower side, right? So let's see what would be the income of an ACP. First of all, as an ACP in next 12 months, he would be earning one time income of 4,80,000. How this income is derived? Simple. Income from the UPOs. because your partner will be selling a UPOS, you will be getting some incentive on that, and that incentive is 4,80,000, right? But now you see the another side of it, which is a bigger picture. Now on your pin code, you are getting an income of almost 15 lakh rupees. On a vendor incentive side, you are getting almost 2 lakh rupees. On a UPOS, now you are getting a regular income of 6 lakh rupees because he is earning 1 lakh rupees a month. So you have to ensure that these UPOS are to be sold to a person who likes to trade, who is already into retail, who is already doing some transaction, already has a user base, or who wants to actually build the business. You should not sell this UPOS to a person who can just pay you 54,000, because that is not a big income for you. Please understand. And as a company, we have decided that we are not going to sell more than 9 lakh active UPOS. So we, at any point of time, we want only 9 lakh active UPOS. So you have to understand that you have these are your investment that you are putting, right? So you have to ensure that this UPOS reaches to the right person who actually wants to trade on this. And on a negative side, if he earns only 1 lakh rupees, now as a whole, now every month as an ACP, you can earn 22 lakh 98,000 rupees per month, and for which you have only done a work in your own pin code. And that work is only two things. One, you have recruited local vendors, you have asked your partners to sell 2 UPOS in a month. I think, which is very simple, very easy to do. But now, as always, our mind is inclined to think really negative. So let's see, even if we think negative, what would be the result? Acha, first of all, let's see what this goal setting has an impact on CP's income. So now the CP would be earning approximately 59 lakh 60,000 rupees every month. One time income would be 24 lakh rupees. And again, it is derived from the ACP's goal sheet only. So it is much possible. Same ways, on same goal setting of an ACP, our MCP would be earning 2,19,000 rupees and one time income of 60 lakh rupees in next 12 months. So I think just taking care of our ACPs, the CP and MCPs are inclined to get a big income, right? So now let's put the negative, totally disasterful performance, and let's see what that has an impact. So let's say population remains the same because we cannot do anything about the population, but let's say now we are talking about only 5%, right? We are talking about a commission of only 5,000 rupees. We are talking about, let's say, not 180 vendors, let's say we talk about only 50 vendors. But please understand, in 1 year's time, if you are recruiting 50 vendors as an ACP, anyways you are not actually working, right? But let's assume, and we have seen that as soon as ACPs get onboarded, they recruit 10 to 12 vendors in just 2 or 3 days. So 50 vendors, anyhow it will be done. And let's say a partner is selling only one UPOS, and this UPOS is disasterfully earning only 20,000 rupees, not 1 lakh, not 5 lakh, not, and this 20,000 can be earned by just selling one good loan, selling few of the high range products, right? And user is only generating not 5, only 1 UPV. Still after 12 months you could see that your income is still 1,48,000, and this is your sustainable income as an ACP. After such a disasterful income projection of efforts, this is still the good income, and for which you are actually not working full time. Please understand this. But still you are getting that financial freedom which you can never think of. Even if you want to have today 1,48,000 as your pension from next year onwards, you have to invest at at least 15 times of this amount. And not only this amount, you have to multiply it by 12. So let's say it is almost 1.5 lakh rupees. So 1.5 lakh rupees into 12 into 15. So 2 crore 70 lakh if you invest, then only you are going to get this income as your sustainable income. But then if you all invest also and you are getting the interest also, then also it is going to depreciate with time. This is going to increase with time. The more people will expense, the more you will earn as an ACP, right? So you have to understand the power of you doing small efforts for Global Garner, and it is already proven. I have shared many links to you all that this game is going to heat up. Everybody wants a pie from this, but you have the highest probability. Why? Because you are already living in that particular pin code. All you need to do is just move out and start recruiting right kind of vendors with us, right kind of UPOS selling. Do not sell a UPOS to a person who doesn't know how to trade, who is not interested in small income. Now let's see, does this income has any impact on a CP's potential earning. So let's see what is now potential earning for that CP. So still CP is earning almost 4.85 lakh every month, and he has earned almost 12 lakh rupees in a year's time. Again, as an MCP, still my earning with such disasterful projections, still my income is 20 lakh rupees per month, and my one time income is 60 lakh rupees in next 12 months. So I think by any means income is still good if we are not even performing well. Because let's say as a vendor, if you are not getting, you are only getting 50 vendors, that clearly it indicates that you are not working adequately. If your partner is selling a UPOS to a person who is only earning 20,000 rupees a month, that means we have not sold a UPOS to a right person. But still, and if a family really knows about the benefit of Global Garner, they will generate more than 10,000 one UPV, because one UPV is only 10,000 rupees. And we have already seen in all our BOPs that today even a middle class family requires 50,000 rupees basic expense. So if we put that figure, the figures were mind boggling, which we have already seen. But on a negative, on the disasterful performance also, income is really great. And this is self-sustainable income, because now you are not selling any UPOS, you are not selling anything, but because you have placed system in, you have got system in place, now you are earning from that system. Because UPOS will never stop trading, vendors will never stop trading, and your income and user will never stop buying. So therefore all three parameters will keep on giving you income as an ACP. And if an ACP is earning, the CP will also be earning, MCP will also be earning, because the entire hierarchy's income is totally dependent on the performance of an ACP. So please share this video with your people and tell them how to do goal setting. As an MCP, you have to only focus on your 10 CPs. As a CP, you have to only focus on your 10 proper ACPs. And when your ACP will start performing, your income will automatically multiply. And I am 110% sure after 1 year, this figure will not be less than 80%. This figure will not be less than 180 if I take only 15 vendors per month, and this figure will not be less than 2 UPOS in a month, and this figure will be at least 10,000, 20,000 rupees a month. So let's say 10,000 only, and this figure should be at least 1 lakh rupees. So this is actual what I see. If you work only 2 hours a day, this is your permanent income. And of course the user will at least give you 3 UPVs, if not 5. So this is actual income which an ACP can earn. And best part is you are not investing in Global Garner for anything. This is the income opportunity, but this income opportunity comes to you only on your skill to work. There is nothing investment that Global Garner is asking you to have this earning. And if when this ACP would be earning this, CP would be earning this 85 lakh rupees approximately, MCP would be earning almost 4 crore rupees every month. And this is all we have already told you. This MCP's income is almost 1.5 rupees, only 1.5 rupees per UPV. But see the power of having a larger span, because if an ACP is having a 1 lakh user base, 1 lakh population, this guy would have at least 1 crore population, right? Because mind it, my MCP has 100 pin codes under his belt. So even if we calculate it on that basis, it is still on a very higher side. You can do your permutation combination on these green columns. I will share it with you. You put any figure, it is really good. And this is all because of you are creating a system for your earning. After some time you need to only check the hygiene of the system. Rest system will keep on doing its work. User will keep on buying, vendors will keep on selling, and UPOS will keep on trading in everyone's business, and that will result in your income which you would have never thought of. And this is going to stay with not only with you, with your family and your generations to come, because all these three levers will never go off. User can never go off with shopping, vendors can never go off from selling things, and you pause, because he being the middleman, he will keep on creating income for himself, and income generation of his will give income to us. So I think it is self-explanatory. Excel, you can do all permutation combination like what I have did. You can do it at your place, but please do it. Do your goal setting. I think that will help you. I am also sending this combo Excel to you all. Individual Excel has been already been given to you all. So I think it's time to do a proper goal setting. As an MCP, your job is not to look for vendors. It is your job is only to look at CP. CP, you have only job to look at ACP, and ACP's only job is to look at vendors and partners, and partner recruit doing the UPOS sale. So I think I have made myself very clear. Anything you want to ask, we can answer these in our question answer round. So please, first of all, go through this, and then we will talk about this. Thank you very much.